guys, the Kitchen Fairy here. Long time no see. I know I've been busy working, but today is Valentine's Day, so I have a video of recipe to share, and it is brownies. Valentine's Day with heart-shaped brownies. This is Fudgey, Toffee, and Hazelnut brownies. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. How nice this brownies is. Dry, crunchy brownies top and super fudgy in the middle, thanks to the toffees and chocolate chips. So what I have here is one handful, small handful of semi-sweet chocolate chips. This is about 35 grams. And then I have 3 ounces of dark chocolate from Baker's. This was from Costco. This is from Baker's. This is about 88 grams. Yeah, I believe it was 88 grams. And what I have here is 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So we're just gonna melt this mixture or ingredients in microwave. So this is about 50 seconds, and then we're gonna heat it again in microwave until everything or all the chocolates are completely melted. And we're gonna let it stand in room temperature until somewhat lukewarm, so not too hot. So in total this was 50 plus 25 seconds. Now we're gonna leave it like for 3 to 5 minutes, just until it lukewarm before we add in the other ingredients. We're waiting for the chocolate mixture to be cooled down a little to look warm. We're gonna chop 100 grams of whole hazelnuts. These brownies, because this is for Valentine's, my youngest requested it. I was looking for my heart-shaped pan, but I couldn't find it, as you know we moved, well, not recently, a couple of months back, but I haven't really unpacked the boxes. I made a shape pan myself. So this is using 8 or 9 round aluminum pan that I just kind of bend it here and there, kind of making it into a heart shaped. So we're gonna use that. But otherwise, if you have a heart shaped pan, you can use your heart shaped pans, or you can use regular pan, whichever you like. So yeah, now we're gonna stir in 3/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend, or just regular vanilla essence or vanilla extract. So just whisk it or stir it until completely combined, and then we're gonna crack 2 eggs. You want to whisk it and one at a time until completely combined, mixture smooth and whatnot. We're gonna add in 1/2 cup of strong baker's flour with a pinch of sea salt. Now you want to mix this with a spatula instead your balloon whisk, and you want to mix it until just combined. Now add in 1 handful of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of toffee bits, and also your chopped hazelnut. And we're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna spread the batter into our prepared pan or mold. Now we're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Like how the skin is like that. Now cool your brownies before you slice and serve it.